Hey guys, in this video, I'm sitting with Sasha Wiss, who comes with 20 years of experience in project and program management in the life science industry. He's both PgMP and MSP certified. In this video, I ask him the exam content for PgMP certification.
So my next question will be about the content of the PGMP exam. So in PMP, we all know by heart, there's 10 knowledge areas, 5 process groups, we all know that. How about PGMP? How is the courseware structured?
I think that's the next problem. So, or problem, or should I say, roadblock or whatever. But anyway, it doesn't make it easier. So the exam itself, it's 170 questions within 4 hours. So quite extensive. I needed all the time. So just 5 minutes before the time was over, I answered my last question. I didn't have time to review anything.
Wow.
It's multiple choice. So you could say, well, multiple choice is easy. But the issue is, and you might know that from the PMP exam, that there are some questions which state which is the best way to do this.
Not the
So
right
it's
way,
not
but
like
the best way.
the best way. So it's not like you have 4 options, 3 are completely wrong, and this one is the right one. But you might have 4 options, and all of them, are correct.
Correct.
And then you go like, which one could now be the way? So in the mind of PMI, that's really, really tough. Also, the questions are much larger from a quantity point of view than in the PMP. This is a problem, especially for non-native English speakers, so that you consume a lot of time reading and understanding these questions. Now, the content, where they come from? They come from the PMI standard of program management, plus a zillion of books, which they state are in scope.
Okay.
So it's not just the program
PMP,
management standard alone.
Yeah.
And the last nightmare is that, and I mean, that's something quite understandable. For 950,000 people, yes, I create a highly professional book, courseware, CD, online presence, whatever, and I get rich with it.
Right.
If you have 2,005 since the start who actually did that, who learned for that, it just doesn't pay off to create a highly professional courseware. Which means what you find out there, you find some books, you find some exam simulators. The quality is, and I want to be very nice here, the quality is questionable.
Okay.
So yes, it helps. It's better that this is created than that it would not be here. So I would also extend here a thank you to the people who created that. But it's still, compared to a PMP, it's bad. It's bad, and it doesn't help as much as it could. And the biggest problem is with the exam simulators. Quite honest, from all the exam simulators I did, none of them represented only closely what I encountered at the exam. And that can be very, very frustrating, as you have no clue where you're standing until you really do the exam.
Wow, and that's a total contrast when it compares to PMP, because some of the the questions, the dummy questions, the practice questions that you do for PMP are actually at par with the PMP exam itself, but that's not the case with PGMP. So there's no PMBOK guide book for PGMP.
Yes, there is. That's the program management standard of PMI. So because the PMBOK is also the project management standard of PMI, so there is something equivalent, but it is much thinner actually. It's only about 120 pages. And as stated, while on a PMP, yes, the PMP is a little bit more than the PMBOK, but usually if you know the PMBOK by heart, you can do it. It's not like that with the PGMP. The program management standard is just one part, and then there's a lot of other books.
Okay.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video we did with Sasha and got value out of it. Smash that like button if you did, and let us know. Also, do you have any other questions related to PgMP or MSP? Check out both the playlists in the description below and you'll have your answers. But if you still have questions, drop them in the comments and we'll try to reach out to Sasha again. Thank you.